All right, quick tip here. If you have iPhone and let's say you took bunch of duplicate pictures, iPhone has a feature now. You go to albums, and then from there you will go to utilities, and then from the utilities you would go to duplicates folder, right? And then here if you click on duplicates folder, you would actually see a duplicate pictures in your phone, right? You could have taken multiple duplicates picture and then just staying in your iPhone and taking the stories for you. So what you could do is you could come to the duplicates folder and you could merge them one by one. Let's say I want to merge that I took the pictures on 25th of June. I will click on merge and it says, okay, I have 3 exact copies. Do you want to merge them? I would say yes. And then what you'll do is you'll just merge all 3 pictures into one. All right. And then you could do multiple to select all. And then here you could do, so if you press select all, and then down there you would have a merge option, and then I want to merge all of the pictures that's in the duplicates folder. I would just click on merge 16 and boom, everything is merged, and then the pictures is actually into your albums now.